Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a fun fall door hanger. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I have made several fall DIYs so far this year, so I added some pictures to the end just in case you'd like to check some of those out too. For this DIY, you're going to need one of these adorable pumpkin patch farm fresh signs from Dollar General. It was only $5. They had two different designs of this sign. Just a few days ago, I did a Dollar General Fall and Halloween Shop With Me video, and it shows the couple different versions of this sign. So if you want to see that video, I can link that Dollar General Shop With Me video so you can see all the cute things Dollar General has out right now. But this sign's really good quality, only $5. I love the little strap at the top and the little hanger. You will need some fall picks. I picked up two of these pumpkin and leaf picks. They're Mainstays brand from Walmart for less than $1. Yes, less than $1 at Walmart. And I picked up these two hydrangea picks, Mainstays brand, for less than $1 at Walmart. So 4 fall floral picks total. You'll need some raffia. Mine came from Walmart. You're going to need some ribbon for a bow. You're going to need a zip tie, some floral wire, your wire cutters, and your scissors to get started. First, I just got a bunch of raffia let out, probably about a 14 or 15 inch piece, and just cut it to start my swag. I apologize in advance for the camera angle. I should have had it a little bit different because my arm is in view way too much. So I apologize for that, but I think you'll still be able to understand exactly how to make this swag for the door hanger. So you're going to start with a long piece of raffia and you're placing it down first. Next, we're going to take our hydrangea fall pick, place it on the left side, just kind of fluff your flowers as you go. Take the second fall hydrangea pick, place it on the right side, overlapping the stem, fluff your flowers as you go. Next, I'm going to take the pumpkin pick, place one on the left, and one on the right, and I'm just going to keep holding it nice and tight in my hand. So I'm just overlapping the stems, holding in the center of my swag. Wasn't that quick and easy? Next, I'm going to take a zip tie and just zip tie my little swag together. If you do not have a zip tie, you could use some floral wire and wire your swag together. So I'm just zip tying it nice and tight in the center. And then I'm going to cut off the extra part of the zip tie and just kind of fluff and shape my swag a little bit. And this is very easy and inexpensive, and it just really dresses up a plain wooden door hanger sign. Next, I love adding big bows to all of my wreaths and door hangers, so I'm letting out a tail, just going to make a loop, pinch it tightly in my left hand, let out more ribbon, make another loop, probably about a 4-inch loop, keep it pinched tightly in my left hand, check to make sure my loops are about the same size on each side. So I'm just making one loop on the left, one on the right, letting out a tail. And I don't know why I was being so awkward cutting off the ribbon. But anyways, so we got that done. Now we're adding the Dollar Tree orange ribbon because I just think it is so pretty and I just love the color. So we're adding it on top. So I let out a tail. Now I'm going to make a loop, probably about a 3.5-inch loop on the left and one on the right, and then let out a tail. And I ran out of ribbon just in time with this Dollar Tree ribbon. It does have tape on the end. I tried pulling it off while I was making the bow, but it just didn't want to let go, so I had to take it off later. You'll need a zip tie or some floral wire to wrap tightly around the center of your bow. I have lots of fun bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I have a bow playlist, so if you don't like this bow, maybe you'll like one of the others. So just let me know and I can try to link one for you, or you can check out my playlist. But just make sure you get the zip tie nice and tight around the center of the bow, then cut off the extra part of the zip tie. And then now I'm going to remove that tape that was left on it and dovetail the ends. To dovetail the ends, just take the tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. You could just cut it at a slant or a knife cut if you prefer, but I usually do the dovetail or V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up and the bow just holds its shape and it's just easier to work with. Now here I am fluffing the loops of my bow and shaping my bow. And here's how my bow looks. And there's my little pumpkin swag and my bow and then my cute little sign. So I'm going to put them all together, but first we have to put a wire on our bow. That way it's easy to attach to our swag. So this is 20 gauge floral wire, threading the wire underneath the zip tie on the bow. If you use wire to secure your center of your bow, then you don't have to do this step, of course, but I like using a zip tie now. So now I have my wire threaded through, so I'm going to take my wire bows, wrap them around my little swag, then I'm going to go to the back of the swag and give the wires a few twists, and then I'm going to leave my wires long. And then after you have your little bow wired onto your swag, then you're going to get your cute sign for $5 from Dollar General, or you can get your sign and do this to any sign that you want to just dress up a little bit. I always end up fluffing my bows several times and shaping my flowers to get them just like I want. And then when you get your swag attached on top of your sign, you might have to trim your tails of your ribbon a little bit shorter, and the same way with the raffia in case it's hanging in the way where you can't read your sign. But this is how it looks when I have everything fluffed and ready to add to my sign. I am sorry the angle of this is so awkward and my arm is in the way, but I'll just talk you through it. I am just taking the wires on my swag and I am threading them through the little leather strap of the top that's on the top of the sign from Dollar General. That's how I thought that I would do it first, but when I went outside and hung it up on my door, it hung down too low. So what I had to do was take the swag and I wired it on to the gold metal loop at the top, and that way it was up higher and it just looked a lot better on top of the sign. I will be leaving this door hanger inside, but I always take my wreaths and things outside and hang it on my door because the lighting is usually better, and that way you can see how it looks and see the colors and all of that. So I did take it outside after I got it attached just like I wanted. So next time when you find a pretty round sign, I hope you'll think of this tutorial and you'll make a swag for it because it's so simple and inexpensive too. You don't have to buy expensive flowers. Go to Walmart, go to Dollar Tree, go to Dollar General and buy some pretty fall flowers. I like to decorate every room in my house for each season and holiday, so I have already started decorating my house for fall. So you'll have to let me know, have you started decorating too? I have another question for you. Are you ready for me to start making some Halloween DIYs? Are you ready for Halloween crafts or not? Let me know if you'd like to see some Halloween wreaths and things. I have found some cute things while I was out shopping. In the description box below, I'm going to link that Dollar General Shop With Me video so you can see the other signs, and also go check out some of my other fall tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching.